Today we're going to be going over how to put armor on both a player or a mob with commands. And it's going to be using the /item command, and here's your schematic right here. This is what you'll use for basically every command where you put an armor on a mob or a person. Feel free to pause the video right here, we're going to be moving on in a second. Okay, moving on. So we have our zombie right here. If we were to just put in a command right now to put armor on zombie, it would put it on any zombie out there. So if I spawn multiple zombies, it would spawn, say, an iron helmet on all of them. So that's why you're going to need this name tag right here. We'll just go ahead and name this one zombie just a random name. We'll name him Bob. So with this in mind, we can now give just a normal item to this one zombie instead of all of them. So let's do that right now. We're going to type /item, replace entity, and then your target. If you wanted to impact all of the zombies, you would do @e, which is all entities, and then you would narrow it down using type equals zombie. Since we just want to target Bob here, also put in name equals, and then in quotation marks, Bob. And that will change if you name your zombie something different or any other mob as something different. The reason I typed in both type and name is because if we have any other mobs in our world named Bob, it will also apply to them. So we'll end that with another bracket. You see the text will become blue. And now we move on to the slot we want to send it to. We're going to try and give this zombie an iron chest plate, so we'll put armor.chest. And then we'll type with, and then what we want to put on the chest, which is an iron chest plate. And if you wanted to, you could add any enchantments or any attributes that you would like. For now, let's just do enchantments. Type that equals sign, and then a squiggly bracket with levels, a colon, another squiggly bracket, and then this is where you'll put all of your desired enchantments. Let's go ahead and just put on protection 2. Do a colon, and then we'll just type 2 right there. And since we have 2 squiggly brackets that way, we need to do 2 there to close the statement, and then a final bracket right there. You'll see the text appears green now. And so if we hit enter here, it should put an iron chest plate on Bob right here, and not any of the other zombies that are lurking around. Now, in order to put it on a person like myself, we would do basically this same command, so /item, replace entity, and then either yourself in chat, or if you wanted to apply to anybody on the server, you would go @all, name, and then your friend's username right here. Just make sure to use quotation marks, so if I were to do this to myself, that would also work. See, it appears blue right there as well. So then I'm going to try and give myself some nice diamond boots, so I will go with armor.feet, and then we'll do with again. And we'll do diamond boots. Now let's go ahead and enchant this one as well. We'll do enchantments one more time. Equals, squiggly bracket, levels, colon, another bracket. And let's give this one probably some feather falling. You can enchant it with literally everything you want in this command menu, but just for simplicity, we're going to be doing feather falling. We're going to give ourselves feather falling 10 just to show that it works. We'll do 2 squiggly brackets, and we're actually not going to hit enter just yet, because if you wanted to add any more attributes to this, you would just put a comma right after those, and let's say we want to make this unbreakable. We type in the unbreakable attribute right here, so Minecraft : unbreakable. And then we just do 2 squiggly brackets like that. And then we can finally finish our command by adding that 1 square bracket right there. And so if all is done and all is correct, it should turn green. And if I hit enter here, we should now have diamond boots right here. And if we go in our inventory real quick, we will see that this has feather falling 10 and is unbreakable in the menu. Anyhow, that should be all. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.